Hi, welcome to this week's episode on Built by Ben. Thanks for joining us again for another week. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe. Have a look through all the videos and chuck some comments down, chuck some likes down, that'd be great. An exciting one for me this week. I got hold of ITS on Instagram. Not expecting anything back, if I'm honest, but they got back to me and they said, can I try the Vaunt Multitool Blades? As you can see, I've been using a few of them. There's a few missing and a few already used. So I've been using them all week. The metal one I haven't tried yet. So I've set up this little test here to use the metal one today. We're going to run that. So I wasn't too sure about using Vaunt. I'd never really heard about the company, but I'm impressed with the wood blade. The fast cut wood blade, which is this one here with the wide teeth there. It's been doing a good job this week. I've put it through its tests. We've been doing some flooring. We've been trimming some door stops. My usual choice of blade is the smart one, but I tell you what, ITS, you've done yourself proud here. I think they stand up to these. They're no different really in my eyes. So first things first, we're going to get the metal cutting blade loaded onto the multi-tool and then lock that into place and we'll get going. So this is the little test that I've set up here. You can see we've got 3 levels of hardness here. We're going to go through the pins, the screws and then the nails, and we'll see how well this multi-tool blade does. So as you can see there, it did struggle through the screws a little bit, but I haven't found a blade that doesn't struggle through a screw. Very minimal blunting of the teeth there, which is quite impressive for a cheaper end blade. But yeah, well done Vaunt. I mean, they're a decent blade. Maybe if you need a more expensive blade, if you know you've got to go through a lot of nails in a certain day, then you might want to be investing in a higher end one. But for your day-to-day stuff, this is perfect. You know, if you're going to be trying to get screws out of skirtings or you know, just go through some old timber, I mean, yeah, these would be my choice now. So we'll get the fast cut wood one on and we'll just have a couple of runs through the wood so you can see how that performs. So there we go. As you can see, it's quite a nice performing blade. So this pack in particular, you get 8 blades with it. That's £22 including the VAT over at ITS. If you go on their Instagram at the moment and follow the link in the bio, I think they've got some money off this weekend for Halloween. It's a good time to pick the blades up if you want to. One of the best things I think about the Vaunt packs is that if you're not after all 8, you know, if you're a DIY or you just want one for a little job, they do them in all sorts of varying pack sizes. So if you just want 3 blades, if you just want the wood ones, you can just pick the wood ones up. If you just want the metal ones, you can pick them up. So that's what I like about them actually. They're really versatile, and you don't have to buy the ones that you never use. The amount of packs that I've bought in the past where you know you're never going to use the tile grout one because I'm not a tiler. So they just end up kicking around the van. But yeah, get yourself over to ITS, purchase yourself some Vaunt Multitool Blades and see how you get on with them.